What up, Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades, and today there's blood in the streets. Dogecoin is bleeding everywhere. Oh man, Dogecoin has just gone down so much. And this is what I'm telling you. So remember Bitcoin not too long ago was at 30,000 and Dogecoin was still up at like 39 cents. But because of, oh my god, 19 cents, guys. Dogecoin is falling, and this is what I told you. Oh man, I am really considering getting out right now. I might sell for a loss right now, guys, because I see Dogecoin going down. Look at that. One day, 31%. And this is what I was telling you. Dogecoin can go back under a penny. So, I mean, get out, guys. I think now is time to, as long as you don't have a big investment in there, I think it's time to get out. If you have a big investment, maybe consider waiting. You might have to wait another year or so, or it might never go back up. Dogecoin, I didn't really like it. There is a lot of people that do, though. So I'm not just like jumping on the Dogecoin train. I actually invested my money into it. So I was starting to believe in it, guys. I was trying to get on the Dogecoin train with you. But look at this, guys. I mean, I bought it 39 down to 30, but what is this? I mean, it looks like a clear head and shoulders pattern that broke to it, the downside there. But I mean, when it broke, it broke. Let's see Bitcoin. Did Bitcoin go under 30? Nope. So why Dogecoin fell that far? Partially because of Bitcoin, but partially because these rich people know how to take yours and my money. I've been lucky until recently because I got into Doge because I fell into the hype. I didn't do my normal strategy with it and I lost. This is my first big loss. And it isn't even that big. It's a couple $100, like $100 and some bucks. Right now I'm actually down on all of these, so I consider this one loss with all three of these coins. They're all down. Ankr, I bought at 16 cents for like $300. Algorand, I traded some coins and stuff at $1.49. And Dogecoin, I spent about $300, maybe a little bit more. And you notice with the contest that they were giving away $300,000 and now the price just dumps. And now they'll have to give away a lot more Doge now, though. That's the thing. But it's not Coinbase's fault that the price goes down at all. So it just sucks. They would have been better off giving away the prizes at the time of, the original scheduling, because then they would have had to give away a lot less Dogecoin. It might have actually taken till right now anyway to get it, so maybe that wouldn't have helped them. Because look, it dropped 9 cents today. 9 cents. That's a third of the full value of Dogecoin. So this is why I don't invest tens of thousands of dollars into a meme coin, because that's what they are, guys. There's no merit to it. There's no project to back it up. There's no future plans to make it a wonderful coin. They might start doing that, There's not a lot to the project. They might be doing little things to keep it alive and stuff, but it is a coin of the people. That's why it has power and why it has merit. Well, why did all the people lose interest in it? So now that the price is going to probably go back all the way down to about 5 cents, we broke the 30-cent barrier, and this is what's going to happen with Bitcoin if it hits the 30. So remember Dogecoin, let me just paint a picture for you. Remember Dogecoin was sitting above 30 cents. We had a nice support at 30 cents, and every time it would hit it, we would bounce off of it. And we would go up even high, not go up even higher, but, go up a little bit. But it kept hitting that 30-cent marker, and it eventually just broke it. And then what happened? You see, we went from 30 all the way down to 20 because there's not a lot of support here. That's because the coin went up so fast from about 5 cents and up. And this is where the big gains and, a lot of the rich people made their money. And once the price got up to 74 cents and higher, this is when the retail investors, you and I, started getting in, or other people that weren't in early. I mean, I was in early too, so I can't say I wasn't. But I sold. So I've always been in Dogecoin a little bit. But what I'm saying is, at the higher levels, a lot of the retail, citizens, the retail investors buy. And then the price goes down like this, which basically pays for all of the gains that everybody else got. And, they get it from our pocket, unfortunately. I'm glad I didn't have like thousands and thousands in Dogecoin. I'm a little bit upset at losing a couple $100, especially right now. I can't afford it. So it just kind of sucks. And my Bitcoin's down. My Dash, I had like 20 bucks of this. It's already down to 17. I mean, there's just blood in the streets everywhere. 17% down on Dash. This is the problem with altcoins, guys. And, well, Bitcoin too. I mean, the volatility, of course. But when there is blood in the streets and an already bloody, situation, then you get what we have here, which is a giant market crash. I wouldn't call it a crash, but a definite dip, a market dip. It's kind of a crash from where we were at. When the market goes down 50% of its value in less than about 2 months, I mean, that can be considered a crash, in my opinion. That is huge losses. And in one day, look at Ethereum. So I believe that was a fake bull flag, and it was only that for a second. So with these patterns, let me tell you, what I show you, they only happen when they are confirmed. You can see them in the beginning, but it doesn't confirm the pattern until after it happens. So if the bull flag wasn't confirmed, it isn't considered a bull flag then. Or even it was a descending wedge, which was supposed to break out to the upside, but it wasn't confirmed. It broke to the underside, which happens sometimes. But so these patterns only happen after they are confirmed. That's the problem with technical analysis in the short term. This is what happens. There's so many buying opportunities right now, though. I just don't know if I would buy right now, guys. The market's down 12%. Are we going down further? Well, I'm going to say no. And here's the reason why I say that. Bitcoin is still at $32,100. So it's down 11% since yesterday, though. So we are seeing all the other coins take major hits because of this. And when the market moves so fast, that's when Bitcoin's dominance, especially being so high, really affects the other coins. So when Bitcoin dominance is lower, when Bitcoin goes down, it doesn't have as much of an effect on the other coins. Same as when it goes up, it doesn't have as big of an effect. But since Bitcoin's dominance is really high right now, and also the US dollar is doing amazing, which also always correlates with Bitcoin. So when the dollar does kind of bad, Bitcoin does good. When the dollar does good, Bitcoin kind of does bad. And I hope we break that trend, here in the future. And I hope they can work together instead of apart. I know a lot of people are for decentralization, and I'm a U.S. citizen, so I love my country, man. So I don't want to see the U.S. dollar go bad. I just want to see Bitcoin implemented with it. You might not agree with me, and that's fine. That's not a huge issue that we disagree on there. I am for a decentralized Bitcoin, though, and I am for actually a U.S. dollar on the blockchain. Not like a USDT, but an actual government, backed coin. I think that would be a good idea. I've said that twice, but so guys, yeah, Dogecoin is really suffering. I would consider consolidating, guys. I'm seriously thinking about it myself. What do you guys think? What should I do? I am thinking of putting you in charge of this Dogecoin right here. Should I keep it? Should I sell it? Should I trade it for another crypto? What do you guys think I should do with it? Let me know in the comments below. Let me know in the Telegram chat or on Twitter. They're all in the description below. Just let me know. I'm going to put you guys in charge of this Dogecoin. I'm not giving it to you. That's not what I mean. I'm not just going to send it to you. But what should I do with it, guys? I'm serious. I'm not joking. I want your opinion. Should I sell? It just dropped 9 cents overnight. I'm really considering selling. But at the same time, this looks like a bottom here. So I'm going to be really upset if I end up selling my Dogecoin right before the bounce. So I'm really worried about that. And I'm really worried that since Bitcoin didn't go under $30,000, that this altcoin crash is temporary. And we're going to see a major turnaround. So that right there, we hit the support on Bitcoin at 31,000, which has been a really, really strong support of ours. And normally after that happens, we can, go up a little bit and then either touch it at a higher point, which has been the new normal, or we could head back up to about the $39,000 level. Now a lot of the news is bad because the market's going down, and so we need some good news. The crazy thing, it took a long time for us to get back up to the $40,000 level, but it didn't take that long for us to fall from the $40,000 level back to 31, and then it really affected the price of these altcoins. I'm glad I don't have a lot of exposure to Ethereum right now, because I bought in Ethereum. This is one of my best trades, was Ethereum, besides my Bitcoin trade, which was legendary among, poor people. But so yeah, I bought Ethereum at like $180, $200, and I sold it actually about right around this price the first time the market went up. So let's take a look back at Ethereum. Even a month, I mean, the lowest, okay, it has been lower this month, right when the market fell first, but look, then it went way back up to 2,900. But I sold actually back here, somewhere right around this level here, around 2,000. And I made nice profits, like 10x profits. I could have made 20x profits if I would have waited for the top. But you never know when you're going to have, a turnaround. So I definitely did sell too soon. I got a happy trigger finger. That's why I'm learning here. I'm learning with you guys. A lot of the stuff that I tell you, I research and I find out the answers, but sometimes I need your help to figure it out, and I let you know when those times are. And if I don't, and you catch one of those times where I say something wrong, go ahead and let me know in the comments below, because we can fact check this stuff together and figure it out. I always love that about the community, that we can figure things out together, and that's why I'm going to let you help me figure out to do what with this Dogecoin. Ooh, back down to 19 cents. See, this is what I'm talking about. Should I sell this, guys? Should I trade it for a different coin? Should I trade it for Bitcoin? Should I sell it to the bank? What should I do, guys? I don't know. Not yet. I mean, here's the hour. So this is what we're looking at, the hour. See, this just happened. We were at 20 cents not even that long ago. I mean, and then we just, we're right here. And then, boom, back down to 19. So this is bad, especially if you have thousands and thousands. I know one of my buddies from a long time ago has investments in Dogecoin and Ethereum. So I just hope he didn't have a lot. And if he does, dude, just diamond hand it, bro. Sit through it. We could possibly see a recovery. Maybe consider selling half. Let's see what my community says about mine, And then maybe I can give you a little more advice. Let's see what the people say, man. Because that's what I want to know, what you guys think I should do. Because I have an idea of what I want to do, but I actually really like your guys' opinions on stuff. There's some smart people out there. So let's get it together. Let's get some brainstorming and figure out what to do with this 972.36 Dogecoin here. All right, guys. That being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!